Hi, it's Miss Diane again. I have a new story for you about Pete the cat. This one is called Pete the Cat, a Pet for Pete. I hear a lot of P's in that. Let's find the title page. Okay, Pete the Cat, a Pet for Pete. And can you remember who the author illustrator of these books are? Absolutely right, James Dean. Let's begin. Pete is going to the pet store. He is going to get a pet. Pete wants a bird, a hamster, or a lizard. But then Pet sees a goldfish. That's what I want, he tells his mom. So he has a choice between a bird, a hamster, a lizard, or a goldfish. What pet would you pick? Mom gets fish food. I'm going to call you Goldie, Pete says to his new pet. You are my first pet, Pete tells Goldie on the way home. Pete takes Goldie to his room. He feeds her fish food. Now what, says Pete. He can't play with Goldie. He can't swim with Goldie. Pete knows what he can do. What do you think Pete's going to do with Goldie? Pete paints a picture of Goldie. Oh, that was a good idea, wasn't it? He paints 4 fins and an orange tail. What a pretty painting, Pete's mom says. You can keep it, says Pete. So he painted the picture of Goldie and he gave it to his mother. Cool painting, says Bob. Can you make one for me? Sure, says Pete. Pete paints a picture for Bob. Wow, says Bob. It looks just like Goldie. Bob shows Pete's painting to his friend Tom. Now Tom wants a painting. Pete paints another picture of Goldie to take to school for show and tell. Oh, that was a good idea, huh? This is Goldie, my pet fish, Pete tells his class. Cute fish. Cool colors. Nice work. I wish I had a picture of Goldie, says Benny. I'll make you one, says Pete. Everyone in Pete's class wants a painting of Goldie. Oh, Pete's going to be very busy, isn't he? Pete's grandma wants a painting too. Pete has a lot to do. He has to feed Goldie. He has to do his homework. Pete paints and paints and paints. He makes paintings for everyone on his list. At last, Pete is done. He worked hard. There is no paint left. He must have painted a lot, huh? Pete's paintings are a big hit. Pete is happy to be done. But Pete is not done. Everyone in town wants a painting of Goldie. Wow, everyone in town. Pete gets more paint. I don't know what to do, he says to his mom. I wish I could paint pictures for everyone. I just don't have the time. Pete's mom has an idea. She tells it to Pete. Great idea, says Pete. Pete gets right to work. This time he works outside and makes a huge painting. Honk honk, beep beep. Here comes Pete. He's made one painting of Goldie for everyone in town to enjoy. Do you see what they did? He put the huge painting on top of the car, and his mom's driving it around. So he's sharing it with everyone. What a great day. When Pete gets home, he tells the real Goldie all about it. Wow. The end. And that is the Pete the Cat, A Pet for Pete book. Huh. We've been talking a lot about pets lately. Was Goldie a good pet for Pete? Talk to your adult about it. Have a wonderful day.